Mo. Listen. Everybody want waves, but they don't want to brush.
Everybody wants to eat, but no one wants to cook, man. Think about it, man. Eating is a blessing. It's a privilege. And if you ain't cooking, you ain't putting in the work. Don't try to eat my food.
There's two types of people in this world. We got lions and gazelles. Everybody want to be famous, but they don't want to put the hard work in. Stay thirsty.
Everybody want to check, but just don't do it. Nike.
There's two types of people in this world. We got lions and gazelles.
What did you say?
Listen, technical difficulties. Don't judge me on this. Okay, sometimes I mess up. Okay, all right. Thank you. Everybody wanna.
Cut. And if you ain't cooking, you ain't putting in the work. Don't try to eat my food.
Alright, you guys, so we're gonna start by lightly picking out the hair. Now, I'm not gonna pick it all the way out. I'm just trying to stretch it out just a little bit to get his naps from, being so stuck to his scalp. So I'm just lightly picking around the entire head just to, give it at least somewhat of a shape. Using my Slimline Pro LIs, I'm going to set in my bald line. Now I'm using my comb to get the rest of the hair out the way while I set in my bald line. Now I'm doing this like a high taper, just doing it right alongside the C cup, making it as straight and as neat as possible. Next step, I'm using my wall cordless seniors and I'm setting in my lever open. I'm gonna come behind and freehand and knock off some of the bulk just to clear out that area so it's more visible so I can set in my next guideline. Now that everything is visible, I'm going to set my one guard open. I'm going to go up about 1 inch, then I'm going to flick out gently at the top. Now with the zero guard closed, I'm going to flick out that middle line. I know the middle line is hard to see, but it's still there because I set in the lever open and the one. So it's somewhere in the middle. So make sure you just flick out what you see in the middle as best as you can. Now with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Keep in mind that you're going to have to adjust the lever as you go up. But also, I'm going to close the blade and just freehand the top, giving it some shape, giving it that flared out look that my client wants. So just make sure you go slow and just trust the process. As far as the back, it's the same exact steps. Right now I got my lever closed and I'm just clearing out the bulk so I could get a nice visual on when I set in my guidelines. So right now with the lever closed, I'm just setting in my bald line. With the lever open, going up about 1 inch, I'm setting in my next guideline. With the one guard open, in a scoop out motion, I'm setting in my next guideline. From that, I'm gonna close the lever and really shape my client's hair the way he wants it, that flared out look. Now blending down, I'm gonna put on my zero guard clothes and flick out that middle line. With the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out the bottom line. It's always good to do some detail work, working in areas where you see a little bit of bulk by using your corners. And right here I see a lot of hair dangling off, so I'm gonna shape it and do some detail working even on the shaping part of the haircut. So I don't want it to look too wild in the front, so I'm gonna, with my clippers with the lever closed, I'm gonna shape it and still kind of go in that flared out style that my client wants. the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like the beat, make sure you check out the links in the description below. Hustle Dreams Productions, his YouTube channel will be in there. Also, if you're wondering what tools that you need to buy, the link will be in the description as well to all the clippers that I used in this video. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. Also got a Twitter, 360_Jeezy. Otherwise, it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.